5 side hustles to start in order to recession-proof your finances. Are you worried about the state of the economy and how it will affect your career? You're not alone. Many people are concerned that they will lose their jobs in the next recession. Don't panic. While experts say there is a 96% chance of a recession in the next year, there are some things you can do to get your finances in shape, like starting a side hustle. There are tons of great recession-proof side hustles to help you get by when times get tough. Let's dig in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. 1. Become a TikTok video editor. On top of my list of the best recession-proof side hustles is becoming a TikTok video editor. TikTok is a video sharing app that allows users to create, watch and share short videos on any topic. This giant video sharing app was launched in 2016 and has quickly risen up the ladder to become one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. Its rise in popularity has also led to an increase in job opportunities, one of them being a TikTok video editor. As its name suggests, a TikTok video editor is simply a person who creates and edits TikTok videos to give them a professional look. Some TikTok video editors post videos on their own accounts, but a vast majority of them edit videos, then sell them to other TikTok users. If you are a good video editor, then this is a great side hustle to start because it guarantees good and consistent income. And since people will always be watching videos even during a recession, it means that your job and income will not be affected by the economic downtime that occurs during a recession. Another good thing about this side hustle is that you don't require a lot of money to start. All you need to perfect your skill in editing TikTok videos and market your services to get clients. 2. Be a Pinterest virtual assistant. If you love Pinterest, then you can earn extra income by becoming a Pinterest virtual assistant. It is indeed a great side hustle for people who want to work less and earn more money. The main role of a Pinterest virtual assistant is to help clients increase organic traffic to their website and sales page. This side hustle is stable and is not affected by the recession. Additionally, this side hustle pays well. Beginners make between $15 and $30 per hour, while experienced Pinterest virtual assistant can make up to $100 per hour. The demand for Pinterest virtual assistants has increased tremendously, making it a lucrative side hustle. If you are good at creating pins, writing pin descriptions, and using schedule tools, then a Pinterest virtual assistant could be a great recession-proof side hustle for you. 3. Become a freelancer. You can also cushion yourself from recession by becoming a freelance on platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. During a recession, many companies look for ways to cut costs but still ensure that the work is done. One of the ways they do this is by hiring freelancers. This saves them from the cost of maintaining an office and other employer burdens such as benefits and payroll taxes. Becoming a freelance is simple and straightforward. All you need to identify the services that you can offer, then look for a reputable platform that will connect you to your target clients such as Fiverr and Upwork. Depending on your skills, you could bring home between $20 and $100 per hour. And since you are a sole proprietor, you need to worry about registering your business. If you are good at what you offer, you will get regular gigs that will earn you good money even during the recession. 4. Take surveys. You can also make extra money by paid surveys. Despite the fact that you are unlikely to make much from an online survey, the little money you make will help you weather the recession's economic downturn. Taking an online survey is easy. You don't need to have any special skills or experience in order to start. All you need to do is identify a good online platform that allows users to take surveys for money. Currently, there are many online survey sites including Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Luna Influencers, LifePoints, and much more. Identify a survey site that has favorable terms and conditions, then start working to make extra money. Online survey gigs are recession-proof, and you can make between $1 and $20 per hour. 5. Become a graphics designer. Another great recession-proof hustle to try out is graphic design. Graphic design jobs are always in demand even during the recession. If you are good at creating visual communications such as adverts, publicity material, branding, and magazine layout, you can make good money by starting your own graphic design business. The good thing about graphics design is that you don't have to open a physical shop somewhere downtown. You can offer your services remotely. More so, you can work with all sorts of different mediums and also different types of projects, thus guaranteeing regular income. Software-wise, you don't have to start with all those expensive graphic design software. Simply use Canva, a free online graphic design software. It is designed to be easy to use by anyone and comes with a variety of templates for those who are new to graphic design. One of the things that I've seen a lot of graphic designers doing right now is sharing their artwork on TikTok. They created a short video behind the scenes showing how they create specific artwork for their clients, logo designs, posters, banners, infographics, etc. Sometimes they would share tips and tricks about how to come up with unique designs. Thank you for watching.